Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Talkpal AI and ChatGPT. In order to do so, here we are at talkpal.ai and we're also at chatgpt.com. And the significant difference between the two of them is Talkpal is a GPT-powered AI language teacher. Boost your speaking, listening, writing, and pronunciation skills, learn 5 times faster. Now, with ChatGPT, you can accomplish the same thing, but in a more roundabout way. If you're familiar with ChatGPT, then it has a lot to do with the questions that you ask, and as long as your questions are specific, then very likely you're going to get the answers you're looking for. But let's go ahead and do a comparison using Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models and get the answers you're looking for. When comparing Talkpal AI and ChatGPT, here are some key aspects to consider. Talkpal AI is primarily designed for conversational applications, particularly in customer service and support. It focuses on natural, context-aware interactions. ChatGPT is a general-purpose conversational AI model that can handle a wide range of topics, providing responses that can be informative, creative, or entertaining. Talkpal AI likely utilizes specific natural language processing algorithms tailored for dialogues, which can include sentiment analysis to enhance user engagement, where ChatGPT is based on OpenAI's GPT model, leveraging deep learning techniques, particularly transformer architecture for generating human-like text. Talkpal AI may offer more customizable solutions for businesses based on specific needs, requiring training on particular data sets relevant to the domain it serves. With ChatGPT, while it can be fine-tuned for specific applications, its general functionality remains versatile across various topics without needing extensive customization. Talkpal AI is typically integrated into platforms for businesses, providing seamless support experience, and ChatGPT is available through various interfaces suitable for diverse applications, including web apps, educational tools, and personal assistants. Talkpal's AI's performance can vary based on implementation and use case, focusing on practical and relevant responses for common queries, where ChatGPT is generally recognized for high-quality, coherent responses across a broader range of subjects, thanks to extensive training on diverse text data. Talkpal AI support and updates likely depend on the vendor's structure and user community, and ChatGPT is backed by OpenAI's active community resources and continuous improvement based on user feedback. Choosing between Talkpal AI and ChatGPT depends on your specific needs, such as level of customization required, the type of interaction desired, and the context in which the AI will be used. Talkpal AI may be better suited for tailored customer interactions, while ChatGPT excels in versatility and broad conversational capabilities. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look in the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.